Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Dior B23 oblique transparency, and I want to introduce the box to you first. You see that on the box Dior is well printed there, and here is the shoebox label. You can see that there. Now when you open the box, you see the dust bag. You see Dior is well printed on the dust bag, same, and the dust bag has the same texture as the box. Yeah. Now you see this envelope. Yes. You see this extra lace and the B. You see the ribbon, Dior ribbon. The receipt. This is the receipt from Dior. And this receipt can be modified, your name, the customer name, address, and everything here. Okay. And this is the dust bag. And this dust bag is made up of cotton. Dior is printed there in blue color. You can see that them. Okay. Now let's talk about the sneaker. That's the sneaker. It's a gray transparent color, reflective gray. That's it. And it's well protected by this nylon. You will never get a dirty shoe because it's protected by the nylon. Okay. You see that here the sole is made up of rubber. You can see high quality rubber. And here Dior is here, under here is well embossed there, Dior, and the B's also there. And the transparency is of high quality rubber. You see the stitching too is very immaculate and nice. Same on this one. Don't worry, I'll give you a brief close look of this shoe at the end of this video. For those who want to know more about this shoe, you can just contact me on my WhatsApp. I will leave it at the description below. And for all those who want to continue watching my video, you can just subscribe to my channel, and every time when I post, you will know. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe again. Bye bye.